mai koutou. Hi, my name is Alyssa.
And moa today, Winton School. I'm Vanessa. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for our Mero, the 5th of June.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is hamoa, which is te reo for Samoa.
Ka pai. Okay, on to library news. The library is not open today due to senior cross country.
And a big kia kaha to all our seniors running today at Brown's Domain. Go big!
Woo! Okay, high vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
One birthday at Winton School today.
Alyssa Lambie is turning 11. Happy birthday, Alyssa. Have a great day.
Happy birthday!
Have a great day.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, both in front and behind the camera, ka kite tera wiki.
Haere rā, Winton School.